Parliament yet again hit a deadlock when lawmakers failed to resolve a contentious debate on the gazetted polling stations where the army will cast its votes in the 2011 election. This comes just a day after Speaker Edward Ssekandi adjourned the August House prematurely over an impasse on the role of the state in the provision of security to presidential candidates during the debate on the Presidential Elections Amendment Bill. Today, the ruling party yielded ground, accepting presidential candidates to have a prerogative over their safety during campaigns. However, a disagreement arose over where soldiers could cast their vote. Previously, the army has been voting from the barracks, a decision the opposition claims was clouded in mischief. Though government has in principle agreed to allow soldiers to vote outside the barracks, Security Minister Mama Mbabazi does not want to concede a blanket acceptance.
The practice, in fact, is they go to the nearest polling station, which is public, which is open. But in operational areas where the public may not be anyway, the army should not be denied the right to vote.
Say in situations of war, they are at the war front, we can make an arrangement for them to vote, and there should be a strict provision that those special those operational areas should be gazetted.
Parliament did, however, make progress after some clauses of the bill were approved at the committee stage during a plenary chaired by Speaker Edward Ssekandi. It was a rare occasion to see lawmakers across the political divide make concessions during debate on the contentious issue of electoral reforms.
Actually, what has been a problem today was just the formulation, the wording, not the principle. We have generally agreed on the principles on a number of items.
That contrary to what very many people predicted, under the chairmanship of the Prime Minister, we are slowly making progress.
Both government ministers and a team of eminent lawyers from the opposition will meet tomorrow to hammer out a dialogue under the chair of Prime Minister Prof Apolo Nsibambi before the plenary resumes once again to discuss electoral reforms. Through the spirit of dialogue, both the opposition and government have been able to iron out the intricacies during the debate on these electoral reforms. However, what remains to be seen in the eyes of the public is whether this law will stand the practical test of time during the 2011 polls. Emam Taiziwa, NTV Tonight.